Yeah, okay. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on in here. Well, Sonny, where do you want me? Where do you want me, son? Just sit right over there in that chair. Where? Son, you want me in this chair here? Thank you, Sonny. Appreciate it. Well, I look at it right up in this air, right up here. All right, yeah, okay. First, I want to thank Dakota Fred for letting me come on here tonight. It's been a special honor to meet him, and I know a bunch of you people know me. You've probably eaten buckets and buckets of my KFC chicken over the years. Unfortunately, I have been in the news lately, and I'm going to tell you what, I'm not too happy with what I'm seeing. You know that there's some sort of a little whippersnapper ad agency that wants to replace me with a younger version. Not only that, have you seen that commercial? I'm going to tell you what, that commercial, he looked like he'd been splattered with gold paint in some craft show or some flea market or something. I just don't know. I just don't get it. And they pick some guy that don't know squat about gold chicken. Hell, I'm the real Colonel Sanders. Hell, Dakota Fred, he probably, yeah there, Sonny. Dakota Fred probably had more gold fall out of his boot than that guy knows about gold. Bet you young'uns didn't know, but way back in 1952, that's way before most of you were even a twinkle in your daddy's eye. I started out making my finger-licking good chicken. What? You don't believe that? That's true. I'm telling you, there is a picture of me in front of one of my stores just last year. That ought to prove it right there. Now here's the deal. Now you go to your local KFC store and tell them you want the real Colonel back on the TV. In turn, they can give you an extra crispy $1 bill. Remember, you gotta say you wanted to see the real Colonel back on the TV. You can spend a $1 bill anywhere you want. And now, I'll tell you what, we got a special. A real special. Now this is no fake. This is the real stuff. I'll tell you what. Now you can see this pretty clear, right? This is a bucket of 16 pieces of good gold chicken. And I got something to tell you. Because normally 16 pieces, well, it'll feed a whole family, yeah. But you're talking 40 bucks. But I'm going to tell you how you could do this. If you go in to your store and you say you saw the real Colonel on the real Colonel. Remember, I'm the real Colonel. If you say you saw the real Colonel going to tell you, they'll give you a smile first of all, and then they're going to say, well, for you, since you saw the real Colonel, it's only $30 and some change. So, you know, of course, we use only the best of chickens, the young, tender chickens. But there's something you don't really know about Colonel's chicken. I'm going to tell you that we've got the absolute cutest chickens you have ever seen in your life. Oh yes, but I've got proof. We have absolutely the prettiest little chickens anywhere. And I'm going to tell you, that's how we keep it nice and good for you. Now, we have Nashville hot chicken. We got Georgia gold chicken. And I only think, and I think it's only fitting and fair, that we have Texas two-step chicken. You know, the chicken that you just dredge and you fry. And remember folks, it's finger licking good. And I want to tell Dakota Fred, thank you for using up his airtime tonight. I didn't tell him what I was going to talk about. Hey Sonny, how'd I do out there? Oh, you did all right. You did all right there, Colonel. Look, just come on with me. Come on. I'm going to show you to your car out here. What? You got to go to the Grants Pass? Oh, you're going to do a thing there in the store. Okay. Folks, I'll be back in about 10 minutes. I got to get the Colonel out to his car, and I'll be right back. Take about 10 minutes.